everyone, in this video we will demonstrate the new improvement in the Search This View option for HCL Notes Client V12. By default, this Search This View option is not enabled. To enable it, you need to go to the View menu and click on Search This View. This option helps user to find the information or document quickly using indexing. With this new improvement, you can search using type ahead, people or subject. Here people can choose automatically based on the people with whom you recently emailed, chatted and had meeting, same as recent contacts. There is no mail template dependency for this particular feature. Only Notes client should be V12. Let's move to the next slide. Use recent searches to execute previous searches in the current application. When you search, it will display show more option. It tries to show as many entries as possible till the point Notes user interface can expand it on the screen. This behavior is similar for people as well as subject type ahead. Let's begin with demo. First we will verify the Notes client. Go to Help menu, click on About HCL Notes. You can see Notes Client V12 installed. Click OK. As mentioned, by default, this Search in View option is not available. To enable it, we need to go to View menu and click on Search This View. As soon as you start typing in Search in View, you will get Type ahead people subject options. Here people will have the contacts and the subjects will have text. Now if you have selected anything, like I have selected contact test user 1/acme, it will display all emails as search result from the particular contact in the mail database. Similarly, if I select anything from the subject, for example, I am selecting test subject, it will display all email or messages as a search result which has matching word in subject of messages. Till now we have seen demo for the mail database, but now we will verify with non-mail database like discussion database. I type test in Search This View and select test user 2/acme from the type ahead. We will get all documents which are created by the particular user. One more thing you may have observed here, whatever we search here will get added in search history or a recent searches. This will make our search easy and effortless. Also, when you search, it will display show more option. It tries to show as many entries as possible till the point UI can be expanded on the screen. This is applicable for people as well as subjects. Basically, these are the enhancements introduced in Notes V12 Search This View option. I hope this video demonstrates the changes or enhancements done in the Search This View option in Notes V12. Thank you for watching this video.